got a policeman in front of me and a Challenger. Yo, they're turning right. He going off. Up. Swapping lanes. Up. Somebody else swapping lanes. Guess what? I'm about to swap lanes too. Shit. My turn coming up. Shit. Oh shit. I just missed that. I just missed that shit. I had the camera down. My fault, y'all. Bro, the policeman almost crashed. He didn't see the Honda right there merging into the lane he was trying to switch into. And that nigga like swerved in front of me. That shit crazy. I have my dash cam on, but guess what? I had to pull the SD card because I needed to grab some film, and I haven't put the SD card back. Weird. But I should have caught that on camera. That's weird. It's all good, y'all. Yeah, y'all believe my story and shit. Oh, what's good with this nigga right here? This nigga in a little G37. He rode next to me and shit. I think she... That was good with bro. He tough. See that 10 speed? And I'm letting go of the gas too. Cause I ain't trying to just gun it all the way down this joint. But still wet in the back roads though. I'm not gonna lie. So I won't be going too crazy. My GoPro's kind of dead right now. I mean, I could. And then my SD card, I need to pull over. But this is all good. This is just some filler and shit. I might put this in some type of video or something. Something. If you seeing this right now, what's up, y'all? Appreciate you tuning in. These roads are ass in the back road. It's dark. You know, we just in a friendly cruise. Just a friendly cruise, not too crazy, because it's still a little wet outside. Like I said, these roads are trash. And I don't know about y'all, but I don't like to break what I spend money on, so wait till we get into some good roads, and we should be good. Yeah. We don't want to run over the water. We don't want to do that. I am in an auto, so y'all should know that. Oh shit. There's some shit in the road. We on a journey. Slow with this shit. Oh, bro. And they say we can't have colorful lights because it's a distraction. It's a law, right? But these LED lights on these car headlights are blinding me. You telling me that shouldn't be illegal? Like, what's up? People be having their bright lights on. Should be illegal to have your bright lights on. Sorry, nah. I'll probably leave that out. And my voice is cracked. I'll probably just leave that out the video, bro. Fuck it. We cruising though. I don't know. I'm just fried cruising. I wonder if the window down sounds better than the window up. I do have my mask on, so if I sound muffled, then oh shit. But I'm telling you, driving on the back roads, y'all young people, y'all gotta be safe, right? Cause you know I've been doing this for a couple of years, you know what I'm saying? I'm a master driver, bro, you know. All them hours I put in to Amazon driving, hours I put into this car, you know what I'm saying? But you gotta be safe on the road. Oh my God, these roads trash because there be a lot of people who just reckless. You can't be reckless with your life, man. You know what I'm saying? If you're gonna be reckless, do it with a purpose. And don't do it for a purpose that you know that it could end you up in jail or end you up dead. Like I said, these roads are just burned, so. And my arm kind of hurting holding up my phone. I'm not gonna hold you. I'll probably just chill. And I'll probably just enjoy my ride home. I got off early from work, so still a little cruise. Was able to record some content, and now we on our way home. That's perfect, simple. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. What's good, gang? So I'm over here doing some checks on the Mustang GT right now, and I noticed, first thing I noticed, my intake was like off, and you see how loose it is? So I'm about to tighten that up real quick. Alright, that's on pretty tight. Let me check all the other clamps as well. Make sure everything else is tight and good.